Hello everyone, I'm Hilary Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time, just go up at the top of my head here. There's an amazing video there that we made for Excel for beginners. You can also go to the description of this video. You see other Excel courses line up there that you can start learning. But today specifically we are going to be learning how to use if statement and pivot tables to analyze your data. This data is coming from a school. We are assuming that it's coming from a school and we want to analyze the results of children. Okay, we want to find out those who have failed and those who have passed. Okay, so we are going to be using if statement and pivot tables at the same time. It's going to be very interesting, and also you have to know that Excel is used across every industry, whether you're in agriculture, whether you are in politics, whether you are in NGO, whether you are in the development sector, anywhere you are. Excel is very well used there. And basically what Excel does is that it analyzes your data and really bring you reasons or insights from your data to make informed decisions that can push your company forward or push your industry, your organization forward, or give you basis for taking very informed and decisions that can push your business forward. Okay, let's dive in. But before we dive in, please, if this video is interesting, please, or if you've been following us, please make sure you click the like button and also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Let's get in there so I show you how this works.
Hello everyone, I just want to do a simple analysis here. These are children and their marks here. I want to see those who have failed on this side and those who have passed here. And here we have male and female and their names. Okay, we want that those who are above 50 should pass and those who are below 50 should fail. So I'm going to use the if statement. I'll just put equals to and I put if statement and I click my tab, and then here I'll choose reference this area here, because I want that anything here that is above 49, after 49 is 50. It means anything that starts from 50 comma I want to see passed, and I close my quotations. If not, I open another quotation. I want to see failed. So these are conditional statements that we give using the if statement in Excel. Okay, and I click OK. You see, and here again it just gives us automatically those who have failed and those who have passed. Okay, so I can still analyze this using my pivot table to see how many people have failed and how many people have passed. So if I come here again and I click here and I go up to insert and then I choose my pivot table here, you see it asks me to go to a new sheet and I click OK. While I'm here, I just take my sex and I bring it on that column here, and I take my result and I bring it again on that same column. It tells me those, it already shows me female who have failed and passed, male who have failed and passed, and I can still take my result again, bring it under values because I want to count. You see, it tells me how many male have failed and how many male have passed and how many female have failed and how many female have passed here. If I come to this small icon here and I right click here and I right click, and then I go to value field settings and I can decide to make it average. Okay, so I was just counting and that is why I choose that. I can still choose average and other things here. Okay, and I just click OK and then I get the amazing result. I can still come here and I decide to bring a visual here, maybe a column chart, and I click within this pivot table that I've created here, and I go back to insert and I go to column chart here and I choose my column chart. You see, it automatically brings me this column chart here. I can still decide to right click on the column chart here and I put data labels on. You see, it tells me 13 male have passed and 1 male have failed, and then 12 female have passed and 4 female have failed. I can still come here and I right click and then I delete this grid line. I delete all these lines here because I want to make my visual clean. Okay, and I can just increase it from here so that you that is watching can better see what I'm doing here. I can still come here and I right click here and then I remove all button, all the other areas, and I can still right click and I delete. You see what I'm doing? This is just to make sure that my chart is clean. I can still click here on this title here and I come up here under layout and I choose chart title and I go to the middle. I want it to be at the center, and I say final results. You see, and that's it. That's just how simple we can use Excel to do a lot of amazing things. Thank you so much.
Hello brothers and sisters, I just hope that this video was helpful. Please continue to follow us on Usemo Tech. We teach other tools like Power BI, Tableau, Excel, SQL. These are all tools that are very important in the data analysis world moving forward. We also teach amazing tools like Kobo Toolbox, Google Forms. These are also amazing data collection tools that are needed by organizations, especially those who work at the managerial level. These tools are very important to help you manage your business in a large scale. Thank you all very much, and I'll only meet you again in the other amazing videos that we're going to be teaching. Please do make sure that you follow us and make sure that you are alert. Those of you who are in my Usemo Tech group, thank you all so much for learning with us for 1 year now. I celebrate you all, and we look forward to increase that group and bring more people across Africa, across Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, across UK, across America, all these areas. Let us join and see how we can start building capacity for the next future. Thank you all so much. Stay blessed.